Ever wondered how AI can truly understand human emotions in social media posts? It's not just about words, it's about decoding the complex interplay of text, images, and context. Today, we're exploring SentiMM, a groundbreaking framework that's redefining multimodal sentiment analysis. Let's dive into how it works, why it matters, and why it's a game changer for AI research. Traditional sentiment analysis tools are like one-trick ponies. They struggle with multimodal content, posts that combine text, images, and even audio. Imagine trying to judge a joke's humor from just a punchline, or a meme's tone from a single image. That's where SentiMM shines. It's a multi-agent system, a team of specialized AI models working in harmony to decode emotions with unprecedented accuracy. Here's the technical breakdown. SentiMM operates through a 5-stage pipeline, each designed to handle a specific facet of multimodal analysis. Stage 1, Text Analyst. The first agent dissects the textual content using advanced NLP techniques. It doesn't just scan for keywords, it identifies sarcasm, contextual clues, and sentiment markers. For example, a phrase like, "Oh, great, another Monday," might be flagged as sarcastic, revealing underlying frustration. This stage leverages transformer-based model to capture nuanced linguistic patterns. Stage 2, Image Analyst. Next, the system processes visual elements. It employs convolutional neural networks, CNNs, to analyze facial expressions, body language, and color palettes. A smile might indicate happiness, but a forced grin paired with a dark background could signal discomfort. The model also uses attention mechanisms to prioritize key visual features, ensuring it doesn't miss subtle cues. Stage 3, Fusion Inspector. Here's where the magic happens. The system cross-references text and image analyses, resolving contradictions. If a caption reads, "I'm so sad," but the image shows a person laughing, the Fusion Inspector flags this discrepancy. This stage uses a hybrid architecture, combining graph neural networks and feature-level concatenation, to align modalities and detect inconsistencies. Stage 4, Knowledge Base Assistant. To add context, SentiMM taps into a curated knowledge base. Think of it as a digital librarian, retrieving historical examples of similar content. For instance, if a post includes a rare cultural reference, the KB Assistant fetches related data to refine the sentiment analysis. This step relies on a graph-based retrieval system, ensuring relevance and interpretability. Stage 5, Classifier Aggregator. Finally, all insights converge. The classifier aggregator weighs textual, visual, and contextual data, assigning a final sentiment label. It doesn't just output happiness. It generates a detailed report explaining why, citing specific phrases, facial expressions, or contextual clues. This transparency is critical for applications like mental health monitoring or misinformation detection. But SentiMM's innovation doesn't stop at its pipeline. The researchers created SentiMMD, a massive dataset containing 70,000 multimodal social media samples. Each entry is labeled with 7 emotions: happiness, anger, sadness, surprise, fear, disgust, and neutrality, ensuring robust training. The dataset also includes metadata like user demographics and post-engagement metrics, enabling deeper analysis. The results: SentiMM outperforms leading models like GPT-4o and Qwen2.5-VL-7B by significant margins. In ablation studies, removing any single agent, like the image analyst or text analyst, dramatically reduced accuracy, proving that multimodal integration is non-negotiable. For example, without the Fusion Inspector, performance dropped by 10.4%, while the classifier aggregator's absence caused a 5.8% decline. Why does this matter? Imagine a mental health app that detects subtle shifts in a user's posts, textual frustration paired with somber imagery. Or a news platform using SentiMM to flag emotionally charged misinformation. This tech isn't just about accuracy, it's about understanding the human experience in a digital world. So next time you see a viral post, remember, frameworks like SentiMM are decoding the emotional layers behind the pixels and pixels. It's not just data, it's a window into our collective psyche. Want to explore the research? Check the description for links to the paper, dataset, and code. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of AI together.